Alright guys, so the moment of truth. I'm gonna turn this off first and open this up and see how did our dishes do, or how did the dishwasher do. Okay. Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. What's up, YouTube? It's been such a long time since I have posted something on my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry, I have become a super lazy person when it comes down to vlogging or posting something. But today I thought to post a review video on this countertop dishwasher that I got about 2 months ago. This is what the video is gonna be about. So let's see how it works, how it gets the job done, and the price of it, and all the other details. Let's start the video. Alright, so we are starting the details now. Sorry about the dishes in the sink because that's what's gonna go inside and we'll be washing that. So this, let's talk about the size first. This is about 21 inches wide, 17 inches tall, and in depth it goes around 20 inches. Let's talk about the price. This is the most important part. I think everybody would want to know. This, I got this from Amazon, by the way, and this is for $369.99 Canadian dollars, and right now they have 5% off on it too. With taxes and all, it goes around 418 Canadian dollars. So on my counter, this is where I used to keep my dish rack, but I have obviously replaced it with the dishwasher. There's a slight difference of width. My counter is obviously smaller, as you guys can see, but honestly speaking, I don't care about that. That's totally fine with me. My dishwasher is already installed, but I'm still gonna show you the back side of it so you would have exact idea that how it's gonna be looking like from the back side. And what comes with it, it comes with these two pipes. One is to drain the water and the other one that takes water from this tap. I'm gonna attach this nozzle, and both of the pipes attach to this nozzle here, and it's pretty simple. Now let's see how it looks from the inside. This is what you get when you open the dishwasher. It's almost like a half size of a full dishwasher. You only get one rack, but trust me, it fits a lot of dishes. I have done dinner parties and washed my dishes in it, so there's no problem. You can fit plates here. Your cups, your smaller cups or glasses can go here, or anything longer like your spatulas or any utensil that's longer in size. Also, you can fit your cutlery here. I don't follow the exact order that is mentioned in the user book. I just put everything randomly, and trust me, it gets the job done. The dishwasher is still empty, but I'm still gonna show you the functions of it. So you turn it on from here. I'm sorry. You turn it on from here, and it gives you different functions. And this is a child lock. This is a timer, which I never use, honestly. They already give you cycles, and when it comes down to cycle, it washes for 1 hour and 50 minutes, 1 hour and 30 minutes, 1 hour 15, 1 hour 10, 45 minutes, 24 minutes, and 20 minutes. So for 24 and 20 minutes, it just rinses the dishes. It does not take any soap or uses it. You can use the cycle that suits you the best. I always use 1 hour and 30 minutes. That gets the job done perfectly. All the soap is gone. The dishes are nice and clean. Now I'm gonna do the real business. Let's rinse them up and put them in the dishwasher. All the dishes are rinsed with water, but I kept this one behind just to show you guys. If there's food stuck to your plate or your dish like that, then you would want to scrape it off and then put it in your dishwasher. Alright, so now I'm gonna be putting the dishes in, although I did not have a lot, but just to show you guys, I'm gonna be putting some clean ones too, so you have exact idea that how it's gonna be washing them. As you can see, my dishwasher is fully loaded. There's actually a little bit of space left, but I have nothing else to put. My sink is empty. And yep, let's close this. Closes pretty easily. So here's the dishwasher pod. I'm gonna be putting it here. Close it. Just to have super dry dishes, I'm gonna put Finish Quantum Jet Dry. It's a liquid, and if you fill it up, it lasts up to the week in your dishwasher. Everything's good. Dishwasher pod is inside, jet dry is in here. Now before I begin my cycle, I would like to show you this nozzle that comes with the dishwasher that you would attach to your, oh, it's with one hand. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying. So you would attach this to your tap. It's a standard size nozzle. It would attach to any kitchen sink. Use a kitchen towel to tighten it. Make sure no water is leaking. Just turn it on and check. No water is leaking. So now I'm going to attach this nozzle, and I'm going to show you how. Let's install the nozzle. So you would push the ring down, and then it just automatically adjusts itself. You would push it up, and it's just nice and sturdy, and it's stuck now to the kitchen sink. As I told you guys, I choose 1 hour and 30 minutes for my cycle. I'm gonna press the button play and start it working. Right now it's taking out any extra water that's inside. 1 more minute to go. Alright guys, so the moment of truth. I'm gonna turn this off first and open this up and see how did our dishes do, or how did the dishwasher do. Okay, steaming hot. We need to be careful when we are opening this because it's gonna be really hot. Okay, so here's the result. You can see the spoons, and I would like to show you this basket here. Let's see the mug. So let's close this and let's take the nozzle off. So I'm gonna turn off the water first. Press this red button here. It's gonna take all the water pressure out, and then I'm gonna push it down. I'm doing it with one hand. It becomes that easy that you can do it even with one hand. So there it is, and that's it. Just take all the excess water out from the pipe, and yeah, dishwashing cycle is done. So my review for Comfee dishwasher from Amazon is 5-star, 10-star, 100 and 1000 stars for this, because it helps me a lot. It gets the job done. All the dishes, as you guys saw, were super clean. No food left on the dishes. They're dry. They're 90% dry, but they get dry. If I leave it out like this, they get dry very fast. I would say it's a must buy, especially if you live in a rental apartment. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment box below if you want to see more content like this, like reviews and things like that. I would share it with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.